Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're looking for a small, stylish, and practical crossbody bag, this is it. It's from MASINTOR. I absolutely love it. It comes in all kinds of colors. This one is the black. It's a faux leather, so that means it's tough, it's easy to wipe down, very resistant for daily use. I use this bag every single day. It's nice and small, but it has enough storage compartments to bring everything I need. This has zippers all over the place. There are 4 different compartments, so I love being able to tuck away all of my things, have enough space, but it really does help me to pare down and not bring so much. It fits my phone nicely, my wallet, and all of the things I need on a daily basis. The strap is adjustable, so depending whether you like to sling on the right or the left, you can swap that out. You can also adjust the length of the strap. You can wear this across your front, across your back, as a shoulder bag. However you want to rock this bag, you are going to love it. It comes in all kinds of different colors, so you can choose whichever one you want. But I do love the black. I think you will too, and that's my point of view.